Hi guys, I'm Canine Crooner Finn Austin here, and today I'm going to be saluting on AngryBirdsFTWPigsFTL. If everyone who hates this user, I'll respect your opinion as long as respect mine. Enjoy the video. AngryBirdsFTWPigsFTL. Wow, this user is amazing. And this user makes great videos. Subscribe to this user. And he also makes an angry message to Joel Armstrong, which is good. He also made a rant out of Dr. Manhole UTTPTHDDC, which is good. He also makes some comfort videos. Let's find it. Here it is. He also makes a comfort video out of Maxi, AUTTP, ATHDDC. He also makes a comfort video out of Shining Stargo Gaming Masters Cutie. Yep, so here it is. And take a look what AngryBirdsFTWPigsFTL called Joel Armstrong. He called Joel Armstrong a Kiko, which is good. Yep, so AngryBirdsFTW. So AngryBirdsFTWPigsFTL is amazing. So, do you know who likes this user? Me and the other users. And I don't know who hates this user. So, AngryBirdsFTWPigsFTL is amazing. And so does my best friend named Gaming Master Shining Stargo's Cutie. Susan Wojcicki sucks. End of salute. If you have any request about my salutes, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel.